Hello, in this lesson you will learn special Russian sounds, soft consonants, soft and solid signs. As you see, at picture are a lot of green letters. You can pronounce them if you have watched first lesson. An asterisk means that there is a soft pronunciation variant. I'm going to begin from pronunciation of the red letters. Y. Y is consonant, also called I краткая, I short. Listen how Y sounds. Y, йогурт, йод, йети, яйцо. Move to the next letter. When you say R, you should touch the roof of the mouth with the tongue. Important that the tongue must vibrate when you say R. Listen. R. Now some words. Река, дорога, рад, работа. Practice with road, river, and work. Can you read them with strong Russian accent? Road, river, work. I hope you did it. Next letter. C. C is similar to ts, but very fast and together. Listen and try to repeat. C. Цветок, цвет, цена, цель. Okay, next. Щ. This letter must be easy. Repeat after me. Щ. Щетка, щит, общение, щебень. And now the last hard letter. Letter U. Do what I'll say. Say E and move tongue to center of the mouth. E. And now only U. U. It was last hard letter. Now moving to soft consonants. Consonants B, V, G, D, Z, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, F, H become soft if stay before vowels Y, Yo, I, U, Ya and soft sign. You must remember it. Russians write a apostrophe to mark the soft consonants. Try to understand how sound of consonants is changing while I am reading. B, Бе, В, Ве, Г, Ге, Д, Де, З, Зе, К, Кя, Л, Л, М, Н, Н, П, П, Р, Р, С, С, Т, Т, F, F, H, H. Now same letters, but in words. Бук, бег, вал, висок, год, гид, дом, день, зал, земля, кора, кит, лом, лиса, мак, мера, нос, нес, парк, пир, рубль, рис, сом, сено, тон, тень, фон, фен, халва, химия. Moving forward to soft and solid signs. They doesn't have sound, but they make effect on pronunciation of the word. Functions of the soft sign are to soften the consonant and to divide the word. Compare a word with a soft sign and without it. Вьюга, вьюга, вью, вьюга, вью, вьюга. V without a soft sign sounds soft too, because a vowel U stands after V. Вьюга. Soft sign divides the word. Next example. Семья, семя, мья, семья, мя, семя. Семья means family. Семя means seed. So don't forget to write a soft sign. Solid sign makes consonants to sound solid even before vowels ye, yo, I, you, ya, and to divide a word. Examples: подъезд, подъезд, де, подъезд, де, подъезд. Here is a vowel that make a consonant soft, but we must read de solid because of solid sign. Don't d. Изъявить, изъявить, зя, изъявить, зя, изъявить. This was a hard lesson. I hope that you understand everything I said. Now check yourself, read alphabet. Tips are in description. Goodbye.